Good day everyone, I'm Ayumi Mycaella Melchor from BSIT 3rd year-5 and I will be presenting Midterm Laboratory Activity 3, which focuses on creating a user registration system using Python. This program simulates how an actual registration form works in digital platforms such as websites, mobile apps, and system login modules. The activity focuses on collecting user information, validating data, checking password rules, using loops for repeated input, and displaying a confirmation message once registration is successful. The objective of the program is to safely collect and validate user details. This helps ensure that the user is entering correct, secure, and acceptable data before being officially registered. The system specifically validates the user type and checks whether the password meets security requirements. For the part 1, which is the user input collection, the first part of the program asks the user to enter the following details, which is full name, username, type of user, password, and retype password for confirmation. All of these values are taken using the input function. However, two specific parts require validations, which are type of user must be only user or admin, password must meet multiple security conditions. These validations help prevent invalid or weak data from being registered into the system. The user type field only accepts two values, which is user or admin, to make sure the input is valid and a loop is used. If the entered value is valid, the program continues. If the input is any other value, the program shows an error message and repeats asking until the correct input is provided. This prevents registration errors such as misspelled roles, unsupported access levels, or unauthorized user types. And for the password part is the most important section, because it uses multiple security rules, which is the password must have at least 8 characters, contain at least one uppercase letter, contain at least one lowercase letter, contain at least one digit 0 to 9, and lastly contain at least one special character. A while loop is used to continuously ask for a password until all conditions are met. Inside the loop, conditions are checked using Python string methods and character checking such as is upper and is lower, and is digit. Checking special characters using either or conditions or membership checks. If any requirement fails, the program shows a message like error, password must include uppercase, lowercase, digit, and special character. And it will also shows how attempts is remaining. And the passwords do not match. Then it asks again without continuing to the next step. After a password passes all security checks, the program asks the user to retype the password to ensure that there are no typing errors. If both passwords match, the program proceeds. If they do not match, the program shows an error and restarts both password and confirmation inputs. And once all fields are valid and both passwords match, the system proceeds with the registrations and displays a success message indicating that the account has been successfully recorded. Examples: registration successful. This means the program flow, validation, and confirmation process are all executed correctly. This activity demonstrates how input validation and security rules are implemented in programming. It reflects the same logic used in social media sign-ups, banking, and e-wallet account registrations, school or company system logins, online platforms requiring authentication. Weak or incorrect password handling can lead to hacking, unauthorized access, and data leakage. This is why systems use loops and conditional checks to enforce strong password rules before allowing registration. To summarize, the user registration system was created using input handling loops, conditional statements, and string validation techniques. The program ensures that all user data follows the required rules before completing registration, making it reliable and secure. And that's all. Thank you.